Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the sound isn't working on your OPPO Pad 5. In such case, first check your device's speakers. Make sure that they are not clogged up with anything. And if they are, use a soft brush to carefully clean them. Okay, these seem okay. Therefore, let's get into further troubleshooting. Of course, we can adjust the sound levels using up and down arrow keys, but we have more than that to our device. Let's go to settings and check first of all Bluetooth. Try disabling Bluetooth to outrule the possibility that your sound is being redirected to your Bluetooth device. Then go to sound and make sure that do not disturb mode is disabled. And here, as you can see, we can check the volume levels, sound volume for every kind of media on our device. Also make sure that the volume button function is matching your expectation, and disable app-specific volume. Also check the sound effect settings and try using different presets with your device. Also try simply restarting your device by pressing power button and volume up keys together and swiping the circle to the top. Now, if the restart didn't help you resolve your issue, you can go to settings, then scroll down to system and update, select backup and reset device, and let's not reset the entire device but just the settings. Enter your password, then confirm. And after that, try checking your sound volume once again, once the device relaunches. This should resolve your issue. However, if the issue is still there, we may have to outrule the possibility that some third-party application or background activity is causing this problem. Now, to do that, we have to first turn off the device. So let's restart the device once again, then wait for the OPPO logo to appear on your screen. And after the OPPO logo appears on your screen, you're gonna have to wait for about 3 to 5 seconds, and after this time you have to start holding down the volume down button and keep holding it until your device is restarted. And this should get us into the safe mode. Okay, now let's re-enter the password, and if you take a careful look into the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see the safe mode indicator, which means that we have entered the safe mode. So here, check the sound of your device, and in case you have you can hear the sound in the safe mode, that means that some third-party application is rerouting your sound to it. So go to battery, check which applications are the most active ones on your device, find the suspicious application, go to apps menu, app management, and delete this application from your tablet. Then to restart your device, press power button and volume up, swipe up, and let your device reboot to the normal mode. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.